The positive go this way. Hello guys, this is Marie Adventure. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of a Ford Fiesta car key. Okay, so let's do it. So first I'm going to set aside this battery so we can work. But if you're curious what type of battery this Ford Fiesta key needs, so it needs a lithium battery. So I'm using this 3 volts battery. It just happened that when I went to the store, this is the only available brand, the Sunbeam, but normally I use Energizer. So it's up to you what type of battery do you want to buy. It doesn't matter. So let's go and do it. First, how to open the key to get inside. So get a screwdriver. I'm using this flathead. This key has a very small hole, as you can see. It's too tiny. An ordinary screwdriver is too big for it, you know. This is an ordinary one, the usual that you use at home, so it's not gonna fit. So you're gonna need something smaller, or you can use any, you know, anything in your house that will fit in this small hole. So I tried using this one, but I end up damaging it. As you can see, I end up damaging my key, the opening of the key. So I decided to get a proper tool for it. So this is how you do. Normally by instinct I'm gonna do this, you know, but I realize that's not the right way to do it. So this is how you do it. It's the reverse. So you just lift it up, and then it will automatically separate, and then just pull it out. Okay, so let's put it here. So now there's another thing that you need to break apart. This one. Okay, so by instinct I'm gonna try to do this, you know, like lift this from the bottom, but there's a chip inside and you don't want to damage the chip and whatever's mechanical thing that's going on inside. So instead of doing that, you can see this side. There you go. There. So as you can see, I'm using a. So now you get the. So now you get the part with the battery, and the other part is where the chip is, computer chip. So you set that aside, and let's take this battery out. Okay, we took that out. And this battery has a positive and negative side too. So you can adjust put the battery in, you know, just put it like that. But you need to find the same thing with the regular batteries, you know, like the AAA and AA. You're gonna find the positive and the negative. So, and then you will orient your battery to the positive and negative. So, okay, so this is my new battery. The positive go this way. There you go. Then you put this back. Then okay, which one has, okay, this one. But as I notice, this part is too dusty, so I'm gonna clean this up first. I'm just gonna use a paper towel with water. I'm not gonna use cotton buds for this because the fiber of the cotton, you know, the fiber of the cotton will be left, and you don't want that. You can do your own style of cleaning. Okay. So I'm putting this back. So as you can see, there's two sides. The one is the lower, and then the one is higher. So for the side where the opening is, you take the higher one. Okay. There you go. So that's how you replace the battery. I hope you learned something from my video, and I hope you find it helpful.